Lesson 8.2 is on multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. In this lesson, you will learn to multiply a polynomial by a monomial and solve equations involving the products of monomials and polynomials. Okay, so this first part, multiplying a polynomial by a monomial, we're just following the distributive property. We're going to do 6 times 4y squared. So if I do 6y times 4y squared, you multiply the coefficients together and you get 24. And now you're multiplying y times y squared. So that's like y to the first, so this becomes y to the third. Then the next part, 6y times negative 9y. So 6y times negative 9y. Multiplying 6 and negative 9, you get negative 54. And y times y is y squared. And the last part, we're doing 6y times negative 7. So 6y times negative 7, and you get negative 42y. And then that's it for that one. If you had any terms that were the same, you would combine them, but you don't. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to do 3 times 2t squared, and I'm going to get 6t squared. Then I'm going to do 3 times negative 4t, and I get negative 12t. And then I do 3 times negative 15, and I get negative 45. And then I do the same thing over with these ones. 6t times 5t, and that's going to be 30t squared, t times t squared. And then 16 times 2, and I get plus 12t. Okay, so then I want to combine any like terms if I have any. So this and this cancel each other out because you have positive 12t and negative 12t, so they become nothing. Then you want 6t squared and 30t squared to make 36t squared. And then we still have 5. And then that is your final answer. Okay, admission to the super fun amusement park is $10. Once in the park, super rides are additional $3 and regular rides are additional $2. Wyoming goes to the park and rides 15 rides. Which of which S of those 15 are super rides? Find the cost if Wyoming rode 9 super rides. Okay, so if S represents the number of super rides, which are $3 each, you have to pay the $10 to get into the park, and then you're paying $3 for each of the super rides, which we said was S. So if he rode a total of 15 rides, the number of regular rides is going to be 15 minus the number of super rides, and each of the regular rides costs $2. So we get this equation here. So I want to simplify this by multiplying everything out. So I get 10 plus 3s plus 2 times 15 is 30, and 2 times negative s is negative 2s. And then I want to combine like terms. So 10 and 30 is 40, and then I get plus s. Okay, so if we want to find the cost, if he rode 9 super rides, 9 for s. So we're going to have 40 plus 9, and we're going to get 49. Don't know why that made that black. But anyway. Okay, so it'll be $49 for him to ride 9 super rides, which would mean that there's 6 of the regular rides and the $10 entrance. Okay, if I have equations, I want to be able to get everything onto one side with polynomials on both sides, and we're going to solve. Anyway, so starting out first, we're going to distribute. So we get 12b, and then we do b. So b times b is b squared, and we add it because this was addition. And then I still have that minus 7. And then it's equals 2b. The next part, I take b times negative 4, and I get negative 4b. And then I do b times b, and I get plus b squared. Okay, so from here, I want to get all my variables together. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to subtract b squared from both sides, so that I can get my b squared together. When I do that, they cancel here and there. So I get 12b minus 7 equals 2b minus 4b. Okay, 2b minus 4b, that's the same thing as negative 2b. And I have 12b minus 2 over here. So I want to subtract 12b from both sides. So when I do that, I get negative 2 because they cancel here, equals negative 14b. So if I want to get b, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 14. So those 14s cancel, and I get b is positive 1/7. And that would be your answer. And that is section 8.2. If you want to try some of the problems, practice on your own, here they are.